Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much chocolate does a dog have to eat to get sick? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much chocolate does a dog have to eat to get sick. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much chocolate does a dog have to eat to get sick. Example 2. What if this was 3 ounces of milk chocolate? Let's do the math. 3 ounces x 58 milligrams divided by 20 pounds of dog weight equals 8.7. You are not anywhere close to the toxic magic number of 20. You can relax. Last update December 19, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.